Human rights are fundamental freedoms and protection that belongs to every person, regardless of their nationality, ethnicity, gender, or religion. These rights ensures individuals are treated with dignity and respect, encompassing freedom like speech, the right to educate, and protection from discrimination. International documents like the Universal Declaration of Human Rights (UDHR) outlines these essential rights, aiming to promote equality, justice, and peace globally.
Human rights are the cornerstone of a just and equitable society, ensuring that every individual, regardless of background, has access to freedom and protections. These rights are not privilege but inherent in titles that belongs to every person by virtue of their humanity. They encompass the right to life, liberty, education, and the pursuit of happiness, among others. Advocating for human rights is advocating for a world where every person can live with dignity, freedom from oppression, discrimination, and violence.
The Universal Declaration of Human Rights, adopted by the United Nations in 1948, serves as a critical framework in affirming the universality and indivisibility of human rights. Yet, despite this discrimination, many people around the world still face systematic inequalities, including racial, gender, and economic discrimination. By advocating for human rights, we call attention to these injustices and demand accountability from government, institutions, and individuals alike.
Human rights advocacy is not just about addressing individual violations, but about creating lasting systems that protect everyone. It involves promoting inclusive policies, ensuring equal access to opportunities, and empowering marginalized communities. Furthermore, advocating for human rights benefits society as a whole by fostering peace, stability, and prosperity. When people's basic rights are upheld, they can thrive, contribute to their communities, and live free from fear.
In conclusion, advocating for human rights is a moral and societal responsibility. It is an ongoing effort to ensure that all people are treated with fairness, respect, and compassion. Upholding human rights is not just a legal obligation, it is a commitment to creating a more just and compassionate world for future generations.